Good morning everyone and happy Monday. So I'm now back here in my office. I have been away for a week kay niuli ko sa bukog. But right now, I still don't feel so well kay pag gikan ako sa buhol, bilan ka na kong daan. I was having a high fever, ubo, sipon. So, pag-abot dire, ilantan gihapon. After 4 days, ganihan lang ko nakaligo kay I have to come here in my office. So, giligo na nako kay murag samot kainit sa lawas kung dili ikaligo. So far, hindi naman labad akong ulo. I'm just having a bad ubo. Hagat sa tutunlan and walay boses. I have to be here kay I have a lot of things to do. Daghang apsunon kay sa kasimana kung wala diri sa office. So, naay mga motions to file in court, complaint file, and other documents nga nakapending sa while I was away. Ay, bad ubo. I'm here but I will be going home early this afternoon because I still feel the need to rest. Ay, sakit sa luya sa lawas, luya. So, naalam ko yung humanon. I hope you all have a nice week ahead and fighting.